Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning, Standard TY BCom, Subject Computer Education. Students, today we are going to learn VLOOKUP, if and, if or, today and now functions in Excel. Let's start with VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. VLOOKUP is a function to look up and retrieve data from a large table. Then if function. The if function runs a logical test and returns one value for true result and another for false result. Next is if and. If and tests two conditions. If values of both the logical comparisons are true, then if and returns true, otherwise false. Here if function is used in combination with logical AND. Also we can use if or. If or also tests two conditions. If any one or both the values of logical comparison are true, then if or returns true, otherwise false. Here if function is used in combination with logical OR. Next is today function. Today function returns the current date, which is updated continuously when a worksheet is changed or opened. Then there is now function. The Excel now function returns the current date and time, which is updated continuously when a worksheet is changed or opened. Let's see all these functions in Excel. What are their parameters and how they work. First we will see VLOOKUP. Here I have one table. I have to find the value of laptop from this table. If table is small, you can easily find out by looking at the table value of each and every accessory. But if you have huge table, then what are you going to do? Then we have to apply VLOOKUP. So here I am trying to find out the value of that means price of laptop. For that I am applying VLOOKUP. Let's start with equal to sign. VLOOKUP tab. Let's see what are the parameters it is asking for. Lookup value. That means we want to find the price of laptop. Comma. Then table array. That means from what table you want to find the values. I'll select this table. Comma. Then column index number. That means thing you want to find out what is the column number of that particular thing which you want to find out. Here it is the second column because we want to find out the price. So I'll write 2. That means column number 2. Then here range lookup. That means I want to find out approximate match or exact match. So here I want to find out exact match. Therefore I'll give the value as 0. Bracket close. Enter. You can see here value of laptop as 25,000. Suppose if I am changing this laptop to camera, press enter. You can see that it is automatically fetching the value of camera as 15,000. Similarly, if I write watch here, press enter, you can see automatically it is fetching the value 10,000, which is the cost of watch. So this is our VLOOKUP function. Next we will see if function. Let's start with equal to. Write if tab logical test. That means here I have to provide the logical test. Suppose I've given two values here, AB and CD. So suppose I'm selecting whether B is greater than A, comma. If it is greater, return me one value, value if true, value if false. If it is false, return me other value. So I'll write true if it is true. If the condition is true, I'll write true. If the condition is false, return me the false value. Since it is string, we have to provide in double quotes. Bracket close, enter. See, it is giving me true. What is the condition we tested? Whether B is greater than A. Since B is 20 and A is 10, naturally B is greater, so it is providing me value as true. Similarly, we can combine if with AND operator. Here I'll start with if, tab, I'll write AND, again tab, then I'll provide one condition, and with that another condition I'll provide. The first condition I'm providing that whether B is greater than A, comma, second condition, logical test 2, whether 99 is less than 100. Bracket close, and again I'll provide if these two conditions are true, return me true, otherwise return me false. Bracket close. I'll press enter, so it is returning me true. Let's check this condition. I'll press F2 for checking this function. See, if AND whether B is greater than A, this is true, this is true. Whether C is less than D, C is 99 and D is 100, so naturally 99 is less than 100. Since these two conditions are satisfied, therefore we are getting the value as true. Similarly, we can test if OR. I write OR, tab, and again I'll provide two conditions. If both the conditions are satisfied, then we'll get true value. Also, if one of the conditions is satisfied, then also we'll get true values. If both are false, then we are going to get false value. So I'll write if OR whether A is less than B, comma, second condition, I'll write one false condition. Let's see this. 99 is greater than 100. Bracket close. Then again, if this condition is satisfied, return me true or S. Let's write yes. And if this condition is false, return me no. Bracket close. So I am testing whether 10 is less than 20 and which is naturally less than 20, and I am testing 99 is greater than 100, which is false. So one of the conditions is false. Let's see the result. I'll press enter. It is returning yes. That means if any of the condition is satisfied or both the conditions are satisfied, then we are getting true or yes value. This is our if function combined with OR. Now we'll see today function. Alright, equal to today tab bracket close enter. See, it is returning me today's date. Similarly, I'll write now function. Now tab bracket close enter. You can see here it is returning me today's date with time. So this is our now function. So in this way we have seen VLOOKUP, if function, if combined with AND logical operator, and if combined with OR logical operator, today function and now function. Let's quickly summarize this. We can use VLOOKUP to find a particular value from a large table. We can use if function to find a result of a logical condition. Also we can use if in combination with logical and OR operators. Today and now functions can be used to find today's date and current date and time respectively. I can solve this assignment. Students, these are very important functions, so learn them properly. Thank you.